Once upon a super sunny day, Super Ryan and his merry band of friends ventured into the forest for a stroll. They skipped along, singing their favourite songs, when suddenly they heard a peculiar noise. It wasn't a tune, it was more like a squawk mixed with a hoot. Curious, Super Ryan and his pals followed the sounds until they stumbled upon a peculiar sight. There, nestled among the trees, was a bumbling villain named Silly Simon, trying to catch owls with a butterfly net. "Oh no, oh no!" exclaimed Super Ryan, his cape fluttering in the breeze. "Owls aren't toys. They belong in the forest, not in someone's living room." Silly Simon just chuckled and replied, "But owls make the best pets. They're so fluffy and adorable." Super Ryan knew they had to act fast to save the owls. He gathered all the kids and whispered, "We need to rescue these wise old birds and bring them back to their forest home where they belong." With determination in their hearts, the children tiptoed through the trees, careful not to disturb the owls. They reached Silly Simon's hideout and saw cages filled with sad-looking owls. "We've got to set them free," declared Super Ryan, his voice as determined as ever. But Silly Simon wasn't about to let his feathered friends go without a fight. He waved his net wildly and shouted, "You'll never stop me from having my own owl orchestra!" Super Ryan sprang into action, using his super speed to snatch the net from Silly Simon's grasp. With a swoosh and a swish, he opened the cages, and the owls flew out one by one, hooting with delight as they soared back into the forest. But Super Ryan knew they needed to do more to keep the owls safe. So they teamed up to build special owl houses called nesting boxes high up in the trees. Now the owls have cozy homes where they can raise their families, Super Ryan explained with a grin. Silly Simon watched in amazement as the kids worked together to protect the owls. "I guess owls are happier in the forest after all," he said, feeling a little silly for trying to keep them as pets. With the owls safely settled in their new homes, Super Ryan and his friends danced around the forest, celebrating their victory with laughter and joy. And from that day on, they made a solemn promise to always respect wildlife and keep them where they belong, in the wild. The end, with a big owl hoot and lots of giggles.